Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BABA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, we learned one thing very much so about the chart moving into next week, and that is where the true level of resistance is at. And that level of resistance is right up there at that pink line there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous, I mean, even if you have a surface deep, basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period moving average, and this is exactly why. You can see that Thursday morning, the price got up around that area and then came back down, and then started off today up around that area and got rejected back down. So while I'm not saying that that level can never ever be broken, I'm just saying it's become very evident now that going into next week, the key kind of pillar of resistance, where if this chart is going to get any sort of upwards momentum and continuation of that momentum, it's all about that pink line. And not necessarily can the price break above it, but more importantly, can the price stay above it? Because you can see, looking closely there, the price actually broke above it a few times, but when it came to actually staying up above it, that's where the price has really struggled. So again, it's really a two-part equation to get a true break. Yes, first you have to break above a certain level, but then you also have to be able to stay up above it, and that's where the price has really been struggling. So continue to watch that from the resistance side of things. As far as levels of support are now concerned moving forward, key level to watch going to be right here at the 258 mark. And I'm not going to call 258 a do or die level. That might be a little too dramatic. But I mean, it's certainly very important, because if the price were to come down to that area and then break down through it, all of a sudden you'd start to have the price, well, right back in this area of the chart. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength or true power or anything like that. But I mean, if the price could stay above 258, that would still give it a set of lows there. You'd have that set of lows down there. You picture those as stair steps, and you still have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. So key level of support, 258. Key level of resistance, that 200 period moving average. So let's see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.